of light and shade. As we have discussed that whatever light colors you use, it makes an area appear lifted. And if you want an area to look receding, you have to use a dark color, right? Okay, so let us apply that thought with makeup and to age your. Okay, so to age a person, I will be using, in the dark areas, I will be using a dark cream contour. When you're doing aging makeup, you have to predict the future. Where do you think Jer will have wrinkles? Okay, the obvious areas would be obviously this one, right? Because we actually have it right now already. Tama? And then smile ka. Smile, this one. That will obviously eventually deepen in time. Okay? And then here. Kasi kasama sa smile niya. Smile some more. And here. Grandma na si Joe. Okay. And then, eventually, of course, Jer's face will, due to gravity, kind of fall in this area. And then frown. Frown. Ask your client to frown. Yan. Raise the eyebrows. Wherever you see the eyebrows are starting to deepen, that's where you can predict Jer's aging will be concentrated at.
Actually, matanda ng tingnan, no? Di ba?
Agad,
Yeah, ayun na.
right? Okay, but it doesn't end there because if I see your work like this sa TV, ipipm ko kayo. This will be kind of dark. Eventually, people's noses, widens in time. So, papalaparin natin. Very, very light. And here, this will become darker. And sometimes, yung mga payat, those who are thin, they kind of darken here. Yung mga ginagawa, the contouring that you're doing where it's so low, and then it kind of falls here in this area. Okay. Now, we have to intensify that line. So what you created is something that is kind of not so dark brown, right? So I'm going to intensify that and make a thinner line inside those thicker lines. So, para maging 3D yan. As it goes. Okay. So you see, we had that light brown and then we intensified it in the middle with a darker shade of brown. Okay. If those are the dark areas, then naturally there will be areas that are parang lifted. Kasi, for example, this one. If this is malalim, if this is deep, then there has to be a part of the skin that is higher. Because eventually, this is how the face will look like, oh. Ganyan. Diba? So, I'm going to put something like on top where it will look like it's falling. This light color will make the area look more puffy. Tama. Kasi eye bags galore na siya. Here. So, it will look like those areas are deeper. In this area, there. So it looks like some areas are higher, some areas are lower. So that's how you do age. That's how you age a person.